Congratulations on your purchase of the Trumix XT Variable Ratio Mixing System. For best results and your safety, before using this equipment, please read all warnings and instructions in the provided manual, and follow all warnings and instructions provided by the manufacturer of the material that you will be using. Your Trumix XT was designed with maximum job flexibility in mind. Plug it in and use it as a high-volume stationary mix station, or take it to the floor to mix and dispense as you go. Trumix XT has a built-in high-capacity battery, allowing you to mix wherever you want. To start up the Trumix XT, power on the system. GRACO will scroll across the LED display while the system goes through its startup diagnostics. To set the target AB ratio, turn the pump mode knob to the AB position. The current ratio setting will show on the screen. To edit the target ratio, press both the up and down arrows at the same time. The display will begin flashing, indicating that you can now edit the A-side ratio. Use the up and down arrows to adjust. Simultaneously, press and hold the up and down arrows to save the A-side ratio and advance to the B-side. When you are done setting your B-side ratio, press the up and down arrows at the same time to save your settings. Your AB ratio target is now set. To load the system with new material. With the brake locked, pivot the two pumps up by pulling the pump tilt release outward and lift the pump assembly. Place the Part A and Part B materials under the respective pumps. Pivot the pump assembly back down so the two pumps go into the material. Move the mode knob to the AB position and the batch volume knob to the far left prime position. Place a waste pail under the applicator. Move the flow knob to the maximum flow setting. Turn on the material dispense switch to prime the system. The system will automatically shut off when the priming sequence is complete, and the display will read, "Prime AB complete." Discard this material. The system is now primed and ready for the ratio check. Move the batch volume knob from prime to ratio check. Place the ratio check cup, provided with the Trumix XT, under the applicator. Turn the dispense switch on to start dispensing ratio check material. The system will automatically stop dispensing when complete. The LED display will prompt you to confirm that the correct amount of material was dispensed. Verify this with the ratio check cup. If correct, select Y on the LED display, and the green assurance check LED will light up. If not correct, select N and repeat this procedure. You are now ready to start mixing and dispensing material onto the floor. The Trumix XT has 6 dispense volume options, 4 preset volumes, a custom batch option, and continuous dispense. To dispense a specific volume of material, simply choose the desired volume on the batch volume knob and turn on the material dispense switch. The system automatically stops when the desired volume is dispensed. To set a custom batch volume, turn the batch dispense knob to the custom batch setting. The current custom batch setting will be displayed. To adjust this volume, simultaneously press the up and down arrows. The volume will start flashing to indicate that it can be adjusted. Use the up and down arrows to set the desired volume to be dispensed. To save this setting, simultaneously press both arrow buttons. You are now ready to dispense. If you wish to dispense continuously, you may select the continuous dispense setting by rotating the batch volume knob to the far right position. In this setting, the system will dispense continuously, so long as the material dispense switch is on. This is ideal for dispensing straight to the floor. Trumix XT should be cleaned at the end of every use or when changing materials. When flushing with flammable solvents, it's critical that your Trumix XT is properly grounded. This can be done by either plugging the system into a properly grounded outlet or via the provided green grounding wire. To start the cleanup procedure, pivot the two pumps up and out of the material pails. Allow the pumps to drip into the material pails for a short period of time. Use separate clean rags to wipe each pump individually to remove as much material as possible. Using the same rag to clean both pumps can activate the material on the pumps and potentially damage the system. Replace the material pails with different pails containing at least half a gallon of an appropriate cleaning solvent. Pivot the two pumps down into the buckets of solvent. Place the applicator into a waste pail. It is best practice to flush one pump at a time. Start by rotating the mode knob into the B position. Rotate the batch volume knob to the half-gallon or 2-liter setting. To generate the turbulence needed for flushing, rotate the flow knob clockwise to the maximum flow setting. Turn the material dispense switch on until the pump stops. Then toggle the material dispense switch into the off position. Rotate the mode knob into the A position and repeat this flushing procedure for the A side pump. It is recommended that you store your pumps in the park position. To do this, move the pump mode knob to the park position. Toggle the material dispense switch to the on position. The system will display park complete when the pumps are stored. Turn the main power switch to off. Failure to do this will drain your battery. If used in battery mode, plug your Trumix XT into wall power so that the batteries are fully charged and ready to go for your next job.